How to delete My Eyes Only on Snapchat. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the camera screen on Snapchat. On this screen, tap on the Memories icon beside the Capture button as shown. Here, you can view all your memories, stories, flashback, etc. on Snapchat. Go to the My Eyes Only section as shown in here. Now tap on Options below, then tap on Forgot Passcode. Enter your Snapchat account password here and tap on Next. When you forget your passcode, you can no longer access My Eyes Only. If you would like to create a new passcode, you will lose everything currently saved to My Eyes Only. So, if you want to delete all snaps in My Eyes Only, tap on Continue at the bottom. Following these steps, you can easily delete My Eyes Only on Snapchat.